Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Presets Girl, and today I'm talking about black and white adjustment. More than bringing your photographs from color to black and white, we are gonna dive much deeper results and with the creativity heads on. So let's start with Photoshop on your screen and the photograph that you wanna edit today. Open that photograph. And now we will first go to adjustment layer and select black and white. As it says, it turns the photograph to black and white. This is the quick result that we get in general, but if we look in a detail on the panel, you can see there are different channels: reds, greens, yellow, blues, and much more. So let's see one by one what each are having result. If I drag the reds to the bright side, it is giving some brighter details and even ex- extremely bright. And if I go to black, it's turning the grays darker and darker. So same, but the proportion is with yellow it's increased much more brightness all over the place. Greens affect very slight. The cyan or effect and blue affects mostly the sky area. It's depend on the photograph that you are working with. Right now I am using a landscape, so particularly they are dealing with those colors according to that. Now see what this hand tool do. With this selected hand tool, I am clicking somewhere here, clicking, holding and drag. This is making the effect. So I'm clicking, holding and dragging it from the greener side. You can see the results are different on the panel in the properties. If I click on the road and drag, it's adjusting like that. It depends totally on you how you want to edit your black and white photograph and make it either darker or brighter. Now the tip 2. There is a tint. Click on that. You see it has toned it to a sepia tone or somewhere the beige tone. If I click on that color icon, it pop-ups and you can manually select your own choice of color. Like I like kind of blue here or a brown effect. You can go on and see which color gives which kind of effect on your photograph, and like this, hit OK. You see it's having a kind of blue filter over the black and white. It's turning into a monochrome. And again you can adjust more how the picture should go bright or darker with the adjustment hand icon. So with some further effects like these, you can see it's now much more contrast plus having a depth inside, and I like that. Now here's a preset too. Let's see what it is. There are so many presets with so many different filters, either colors, blue, orange, sepia. I can, on a click of that, I can use all those presets made for me by Photoshop on just one click note. And we are having very pretty different results. This is such a daytime, this is such a nice contrasting image. Even in the black and white there are so many different aspects. Again, here is a mask, and here is where we have our creativity caps on our head, and I'm gonna use the brush tool to use that mask and make a creative half black and white and half color photograph by just painting over some areas. Like I would paint over some greens here and there, and you can see there is a single color pop-up effect with the black and white color photograph. This is how it's turning out so nicely. just single color, or even I can paint furthermore to add some more details. Like I can paint the sky so that we have the two tones, the blues and the greens, with the black and white. And in the mask, as it is white, I am hiding the particular layer effect, so I am painting it with black, and you can see the results are here. Isn't this amazing? I hope this tutorial has inspired you for some more creativity and giving some much creative results than the others that we have been working on before. So if you like the content, do share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up to the video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and never miss a video update.